What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. And for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, so thank you all for joining me here today. And for those of you who have been following me since the very beginning, and if you are still watching and haven't been bored with me yet, thank you all for still being here. Now, a lot of you guys may be wondering, why is Ryan putting out an episode every single day? And this is different because I know he usually puts out once a week, maybe twice a week, but every single day, this is something new. What's going on? Well, the truth is, for my New Year's resolution, I decided to say that I will make one video a day per day. That makes no sense because that's every day. So one video a day for 365 days for the year, just to see where the channel growth will go and to see what crazy ideas I'll come up with. Because to tell you the truth, making a video is not as easy as it looks. You have to plan it out, you have to think of what you're going to put, and sometimes it's a little bit hectic in your brain because you have so much going on with life that you don't really know what to make. Now, so far I put out a video a day since December 31st till now, which I think is January 6th or 7th, and now I'm coming at the point where I'm running out of ideas, but something happened. So right here behind me is my 2007 Toyota Corolla, and luckily when I came down to Jersey to spend some time with the family, this needed an engine to be rebuilt. So looks like we're doing another engine rebuild series. Now you guys may be wondering, why are you faced in this angle? It's because you're in my engine bay. Technically you're my engine, but we are going to be doing a lot of stuff to this. We are going to be doing a full complete rebuild. I'm going to show you all how to rebuild a Toyota Corolla engine from scrap to up, and if that makes any sense at all. I always say things that make no sense. For those of you who always been following me from the very beginning, you guys always know that my mind thinks things like 300 million miles a second before my mouth can even say anything or process what to say, and sometimes I'm all over the place and I make no sense. But I don't even remember what I said over there. But anyway, I'm going to show you all how to build an engine for the Toyota Corolla, rebuild it back, take it to the machine shop, and have that whole doodad thing happen again. But this time we're going to be doing it a little bit differently. I was going to drop it from the subframe and lower everything down, but I decided not to go that route. What I decided to do was pull the motor and transmission out at the same time. I already have everything almost out. All I have to do is remove the power steering pump, pull that out the way, get under the car, pop out the axles, and remove the motor mounts, and bam, cherry pick the heck out of that. So it'll be here on the floor and we can work and do what we gotta do. So I thought we'd make things a little bit different. So instead of me getting up from the beginning and showing you guys how to remove the engine from the car, because we already did that with the Chevy Avalanche, I thought I'd just skip to the scene where the engine's already out, and maybe I just put a few clips here and there of it just coming out and me just showing you how to rebuild the motor, how to scrap it down, and how to build it back up. So yeah, guys, I hope that you all follow me for this journey. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be something that we can do together, and I'm sure a few of you guys out there who are gonna watch this will have some Toyota Corollas. So I will show you guys how to rebuild a motor. And you know from my previous videos of how having to do the Avalanche, I basically gave you every single piece of information in like 5 to 10 minute videos, which I don't think was boring, and I think was at a pretty good pace for you guys not to lose your focus. So at the release of this video, if there's anything special that you guys would like to see during this course of the series, please leave the comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and I will do it for you. Do you guys want me to take my time and show you guys step by step everything? Do you guys want me to make longer videos than 5 to 10 minutes? Do you want me to explain how things work when I pull it out, such as the timing chain, the oil pump, certain little things like that? Do you guys want me to go over what VVTi means? You know, just leave your comments in the comment section below. If you guys are doing similar projects like this, you're more than welcome to join in. You're more than welcome to ask questions, and I will try my best to help you all and give you guys the best answers possible. And you may see some familiar faces jumping into the video helping me out, or some new faces as well, and we'll just introduce them to the channel. So Again, thank you all for following, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so it can help boost the channel up, because for some reason YouTube is just clearing out subscribers for me and I don't know why, but it's alright, you know, push out the old, make room for the new. I guess that's the way the universe works. But let's see how this new year treats me with doing one video a day per day. Oh yeah, and before I go, if you guys have any comments that you guys need videos on, if you guys have any questions, comments that you need videos, I don't think that makes sense, but if you guys have any questions that you need answered and you want a video on, please leave a comment under any video and I make sure to answer every single one. I don't think I've missed one comment yet, and if I have missed your comment, please re-comment, because usually I refresh my comments page to see if I've missed anything or what I've missed. But so far, I think I'm pretty on point with everyone, and I've answered every single person. Even some bots that write some weird stuff about like porno sites and stuff on my video, I just like it, and I say thanks. So even they get answers too. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment under any video, and I will make sure to get back to y'all. So with that being said, peace out, enjoy your night, and I'll see you again tomorrow, bright and early. Peace.